Okay guys, let's be honest. Every time we hear the words wedding guest makeup, the first thought is professional makeup artist, so expensive, so complicated. Oh my god, right? Well, let me tell you what, it's not that complicated at all. In fact, even if you're a beginner, yes, even if you're a beginner with just a few hacks, you can actually create this look by yourself using everyday makeup products. So, okay, let me tell you what. We will keep this awesome, we'll keep this affordable, we'll keep this practical. In fact, all products that I'll be using today are from the brand Swiss Beauty. You guys know how much I love this brand, and I know a lot of you also love this brand because it's so nice, right? By the way, I get all my Swiss Beauty products from the official Swiss Beauty website because I have this 25% off coupon code. You can use it too. This 25% off coupon code Prachi25 that you can use on orders above $4.99. As for the products for today's video, we have the Real Makeup Base, the Airbrush Foundation, the Awaken Eyeshadow, the Pure Matte Lipstick, and the Glow Up Makeup Fixer. So yes, all products from Swiss Beauty, because you know what, these are actually very versatile. Like, I use them for my everyday makeup. I often use them for my glam photo shoots as well. They're very versatile. So when I say Swiss Beauty's got you girl, I really mean it. Step 1, we have the Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base. I love that it gives me that hydrated and moisturized skin. I'm simply using my fingertips for this. It's got a lightweight texture that makes it super easy to work with. And you see that soft dewy glow? Yes, that's my skin ready for makeup that looks natural and will make me glow. For step 2, I'll be applying the Swiss Beauty Airbrush Foundation. Now you can use your fingertips or brush too, but as you can see, I love using the blender. Honestly, anything works with this formulation because it is super lightweight, very easy to work with. It's actually waterproof as well, which is such a big thumbs up. It gives me flawless coverage and a full coverage. This full coverage, by the way, will last me up to 8 hours. Then we have the Swiss Beauty Awaken eyeshadow. I'm using the palette Blooming Rose. And I know eyeshadows can get a little intimidating when you're a beginner. So today we'll just be using our fingertips, a little matte here, and then dabbing a little shimmer shade right next to it. Fingertips work with this palette because it's highly blendable. In just a few minutes, you get it all done. And yes, it's long lasting too. Now time for the Swiss Beauty Pure Matte Lipstick. It comes in various shades and here are my 3 favorites. 203 Hazelnut, 230 Brandy Harrington, which I'll be using today, and 201 Russian Red. These formulations are non-drying and give me one swipe application for that ultra smooth matte finish. No lip primers, no layering, just your everyday lipstick application for that gorgeous pout. For the last step, we have the Swiss Beauty Glow Up Makeup Fixer. Think of it as a 2-in-1 mist for face and body because it actually is. It comes infused with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, making my skin glow and look so radiant. The trick is to apply it from a slight distance and let it settle down naturally for the dewy radiance. And that's it. Here's my final look. Go ahead, try it out. Grab these products on the official Swiss Beauty website and use code Prachi25 for additional 25% off on orders above $4.99. Link in description box.